How to answer. What motivated you to pursue a career in your field, and how has your perspective evolved over the years? Thanks for sharing your journey so far, Sia. I'd like to take a step back and understand what initially drew you to software engineering. What motivated you to pursue a career in this field? And as you've grown in the profession, how has your perspective on the field and your role within it evolved over time? That's a great question, and I'd love to share. My motivation to pursue a career in software engineering was sparked by a mix of curiosity and a strong desire to build things that make a real impact. Ever since I was young, I've been fascinated by how technology works, how lines of code could turn into something visual, interactive, and useful. That sense of wonder led me to study computer science in college, and it really solidified my path forward. At first, I was drawn to the idea of creating innovative solutions, software that could simplify tasks, solve real problems, and even change how people live and work. The creative freedom and the challenge of problem solving in this field really inspired me. Writing code felt like building with Lego blocks, except with endless possibilities. As I moved from school into the professional world, that initial passion evolved in some meaningful ways. First, I've grown to deeply appreciate the collaborative side of software engineering. Early on, I thought of coding as a solo activity, but I quickly realized that building truly great software means working closely with designers, product managers, QA testers, and fellow developers. That collaboration brings in diverse perspectives, which almost always leads to better solutions. Second, I've become more aware of the broader impact of what we build. Software isn't just about functionality, it's about experience, accessibility, scalability, and value. Seeing the business and human side of engineering has made me more intentional in my work. I've started to think more in terms of what problem are we solving, and how can we make the user's life easier, rather than just how do I implement this feature? Lastly, I've learned that adaptability is everything in tech. The field evolves rapidly. New frameworks, tools, and best practices emerge constantly. Staying curious and continuously learning has become a mindset for me. I take online courses, read tech blogs, and participate in hackathons to keep my skills sharp and stay connected with the latest innovations. In essence, what started as a fascination with computers has become a purposeful, people-centered career where I aim to build thoughtful, impactful solutions. That perspective keeps me motivated and excited about what's next. That's a very thoughtful answer, Sia. I appreciate how you've connected your early passion with your evolved understanding of the industry. It's great to hear that you value both the human and technical sides of software development. Your insight into collaboration and continuous learning really resonates with how we work here. Out of curiosity, has there been a moment or project where this shift in perspective really clicked for you? I'd love to hear more about that. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content.